Brothers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the sacred root from the Andes Mountains. It's called maca. So whether you're dealing with low energy, low libido, or an aging, enlarged prostate, this is one natural solution that you don't want to sleep on, okay? Maca is a cruciferous root grown in the mountains of Peru. It comes in three different strains, three colors: red, black, and yellow. Each has a different strength and proclivity for men's health. So, and this is a combination of all three. I don't know if you can see that: red, yellow, black. So studies show that maca improves sexual desire in men, especially the black maca strain, which enhances performance and stamina without the crash of stimulants, okay? Maca is rich in polyphenols and macamides. Those are natural compounds with anti-inflammatory and adaptogenic effects. Maca supports adrenal function and reduces oxidative stress in the body, which is crucial for reducing chronic inflammation, especially around your prostate and your reproductive organs. Maca works as an adaptogen, meaning it helps your body to balance and rebalance naturally, okay? So if your metabolism is high, it'll bring it down. If it's low, it'll bring it up. Yellow maca specifically, will support your mood and your hormone balance, like acting like saffron. Saffron does that, okay? So black maca, in my mind, is probably the most potent. It improves sperm quality, mobility, and energy. It won't spike your testosterone numbers on a blood test, but it does optimize how your body uses testosterone. Think more energy, deeper sleep, and a stronger drive. Black maca is potentially potent in boosting your libido and your stamina. Now, it does this by not affecting the hormone production directly, but by supporting your body, supporting the hypothalamic pituitary function, which regulates energy and mood and libido. So it works behind the scenes, okay? Studies have shown that improved sexual desire within 6 to 12 weeks of consistent use, okay? It improves erectile function in men with mild erectile dysfunction. So here's the kicker. Red maca, right? See that red dot in there? Red maca has shown the ability to reduce prostate size, prostate swelling, by lowering DHT levels. That means, fewer trips to the bathroom at night, better urinary flow. This is a true gift for men over 40. And here's a bonus tip for you. Use maca and occasionally throw in a pinch of cayenne pepper into the mix. So if you put your maca in some water, throw in a half a teaspoon of cayenne. Cayenne pepper is like a natural amplifier. It will increase the effectiveness, the efficacy of maca by helping the body to absorb more of the nutrients contained in the maca. Try it out for yourself. You can start with 1 to 2 teaspoons of maca daily. Preferably, you could put it in a smoothie, warm water. Some people put it in coffee. I don't like to do that, and make sure you get the gelatinized maca, right? The gelatinized is a process. See, it says gelatinized, I don't know if you can see that. It helps, it's a pre-digested version of maca, so your body can absorb it, easier. So I like to mix in a teaspoon of ground flaxseed with a teaspoon of maca and some spring water, and I drink that in the mornings, So cycle it for 3 weeks on, 1 week off to keep your system responsive. Monitor your sleep patterns. If you're doing too much of it, it may keep you from sleeping soundly. Make sure that you're also taking your magnesium glycinate at night. Magnesium glycinate is a natural sleep remedy, and the magnesium in your body, is critical for optimal testosterone function and reducing inflammation in the body. So drop me a like, subscribe to this channel, and share this with a brother who needs to hear it. And start your healing. Your healing starts now, you know. I'm a big fan of roots and whole foods to induce healing in the body, because the body knows what to do. We just need to give it the proper bricks to build the building, to rebuild the building. You know, I'm not a big fan of vitamin capsules and things of that nature, which are harder for the body to digest and absorb. So, Maca Root, take it and come back and share in the comments your response. Let's get healthy.